Good morning, and once again welcome to my YouTube channel, Maths with Ease. And now we are in the very last topic of the first unit 6 of EdExcel International 9 to 1 Mathematics A, and in book 2. And this topic is set 2. And in this video, I just want us to explain example 1, whereby we are told that there are 80 students studying either French, Italian, or Spanish in a sixth form college. We have a total number of students, and we are going to have everything put down here. We have total number, we have 80 students studying either French, Italian, and Spanish. Let's see. 7 of the students study all the 3. 7 of the students study all the 3. That means French and Italian and Spanish, you will find 7 students studying the 3. That is information number 1. 15 study French and Italian. French and Italian, you will find 15 students studying French and Italian. 26 study French and Spanish. 26 study French and Spanish. We have 26 of the students studying that. And 17 study Italian and Spanish. 17 study Italian plus Spanish. Italian and Spanish. We have 17 study Italian and Spanish. We have 17 students there. 43 study French and 52. We have French. We have 43. And we have Spanish. We have 52. Now, these are all the details we have in that question. Let us now go to try and answer the question. Part A of the question, which is here, part A of the question, draw a Venn diagram to show this information. Draw a Venn diagram to show this information. First of all, we have to have a universal. We have to have a Venn diagram that will capture all this information. We have, this is what we call universal, and it will have to capture each and every detail. Within that, we have those people who are studying French. We have those students who are studying Italian, and we have the students who are studying Spanish. And according to the information, we have 7 students who study the 3 of them. 7 students. And the 7 are the students which are doing French, Italian, and Spanish. The best thing to do is we start from the innermost, the intersection of the 3 subjects. And this is where we have the intersection of the 3 subjects. And we are told that 7 students study the 3 subjects. From there, we can start moving out. Moving out means we now kind of talk about Italian and Spanish. Italian and Spanish. We have 17. And the Italian and Spanish, we have this part of the intersection. We have this part of the intersection. That is the intersection between Italian and Spanish. And we are told 17 should actually be lying in that intersection. But within that intersection, provided by the intersection of the 3, we have 7. So what do we need to fill up 17? 17 minus 7, which is 10. We have 10 students there, and we are done there. Then we have French plus Spanish, 26. French and Spanish, 26. This is the intersection we are looking at. French and Spanish, 26. Within it, we have 7. So 26 minus 7, we must be having 19 there. And we have to go out now with French and Italian. French and Italian, we have 15. French and Italian, we have 15. This is the intersection we are looking at. The intersection between the French and the Italian, 15. But we already have 7 within that intersection. So what must come here is 8, 15 minus 7, which is 8. There we go. It goes without saying, we have catered for that, we have catered for that, and we have catered for that also, and we have also catered for that. But within the same, we are told that French, the total number of students who are doing French is 43. Doing French is 43. The total number of students who are doing French is 43. All those who are in this particular circle, 43. But already there are some who are within the circle. So we have to have 43 minus 19 minus 7 minus 8. Let's see what happens. 43 minus 19 minus 7 and minus 8, we have 9. So the 9 are the number of students who do French only without any other combination. We have taken care of that. Spanish, we have 52. And for us to get who the number of students who do Spanish only, we have to have 52 minus 19, which is within Spanish also, minus 7, which is still within Spanish, minus 10, which is still within Spanish, and we find that we are having 16. And 16 is the number of students who do only Spanish without any combination. So the question is, draw a Venn diagram to show this information. We have to have 80. The total number of students in that college is 80. And we are told that there are 80 students studying either French, Italian, or Spanish in a sixth form of a college. So we do not have students who are in that college and they are doing nothing. So you cannot have anybody who is outside these 3 circles. We don't have anything here. It's actually a 0. Outside here we have a 0 because everybody in that college must be doing something. So what we need to confirm is that the number we have here is 80. If it is not 80, then we will have to know there are some people who are doing Italians without any other combination. And let us go. We have 9 plus 19 plus 7 plus 8 plus 8 plus 10 plus this 10 and then plus 16, and we have 69. It means if we already have located the 69 students, it means there are still 11 students who are not located. And that it goes without saying that the 11 students, because we have to have 80, we have 80 minus answer is 11. So 11 students must be the ones that are doing only Italians without any other combination. And that is it. So how many students study only Italians? We have now answered part A of the question. This is the Venn diagram. And as well as part B of the question, because the answer to how many study only Italians is actually 11, which we have outlined there. So part B, 11 students study only Italian. And that is it. That is what we have. Thank you, and let us work together through this topic.